Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my creamy chipotle spaghetti. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so to our blender cup we're going to add our Roma tomatoes, and I just cut them in half. Our piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of crema mexicana sour cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of tomato bouillon, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a can of chipotles in adobo sauce. And of course, if you don't want it to be spicy, you can use about 1 or 2. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alright, so once we have that, now we can take it to the stove. Okay, so here I have my pot filled halfway with water. To that I'm going to add a piece of onion, 2 bay leaves, and salt. And I'm just going to set it over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a full boil, add the spaghetti and cook it al dente according to its package. Okay, so once our spaghetti is nice and al dente, we're going to reserve 1 cup of the water, and the rest we're going to drain it. Okay, now to our pan over medium heat, we're going to be melting 1 tablespoon of butter, and once it's melted, add the sauce. Here I'm going to be adding my pasta water. Okay, now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But let me tell you that this is always perfect. Now we're going to get ready to add in our spaghetti. Just mix it in with the sauce. Okay, so once we mix that, reduce the heat to low setting. And here I'm going to be adding my cubes of queso Oaxaca. Okay, now we're just going to cover it and allow that cheese to melt. So for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our delicious spaghetti is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's honestly super delicious. You can pair it with all your favorite proteins, with your mole, your asado, your chile con carne, or just enjoy it like that by itself. It's seriously super delicious, so creamy, so cheesy. It's honestly my favorite. Or you could just enjoy it like that. But I am so ready. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Let me see. I'm trying to get so much. And let me tell you that this is honestly not spicy, but of course if you're scared, you know that your chipotle might be spicy, then just add 1 or 2. But this right here is seriously the best. So cheers and enjoy. Perfect every single time. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. I make my super easy and delicious creamy chipotle spaghetti. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.